The rise in sea levels, a phenomenon observed since prehistoric times, has accelerated dramatically over the last century due to anthropogenic causes such as deforestation and industrial emissions of greenhouse gases. This increase in sea level primarily results from two processes: thermal expansion of ocean water as temperatures climb, and the melting of land-based ice sheets and glaciers into the oceans. Notably, by the year 2000, global mean sea levels had risen approximately 17 centimeters relative to their pre-industrial state. However, it was not until the late 20th century that this trend became more pronounced and measurable, driven largely by the increased concentration of carbon dioxide in Earth's atmosphere due to human activities. Throughout the years following World War II, as global population surged and industrial activity expanded exponentially, so too did emissions of CO2 into the environment. By 1978, average annual sea level rise reached about 6 millimeters per year, a figure that has since more than doubled to around 15 millimeters annually by 2010. Recent studies suggest that without significant curtailment of greenhouse gas emissions, this rate could continue to increase at an even faster pace in the coming decade. Consequently, coastal regions worldwide face increasing flooding risks and associated damages, with projected impacts ranging from hundreds of billions to trillions of dollars, depending on climate mitigation efforts. Sea level rise not only exacerbates existing challenges such as storm surges, but also introduces new threats, like saltwater intrusion into freshwater supplies, critical for agriculture and drinking water. Despite these dire consequences, certain coastal cities have implemented early warning systems, reinforced infrastructure, and promoted the use of sustainable land use planning to mitigate some effects. Yet, the sheer magnitude and speed at which sea levels are rising far exceed any immediate human response. Looking ahead towards 2050, projections suggest that if global carbon emissions remain unchecked, mean sea level could rise anywhere from 31 centimeters to nearly half a meter by mid-century alone. To address this pressing issue effectively, continued international cooperation is essential in setting and achieving ambitious climate goals, while promoting research on adaptation strategies tailored to local conditions. Additionally, investment in renewable energy sources, combined with robust infrastructure designs, can help minimize future adverse effects of sea level rise.